Okay, sino ang first president of the Philippines?
Emilio Aguinaldo.
Second?
Manuel L. Quezon.
Third?
Jose P. Laurel.
Fourth?
Sergio Osmeña.
Fifth?
Manuel A. Rojas.
Sixth?
Elpidio Quirino.
Seventh?
Ramon Magsaysay.
Eighth?
Carlos P. Garcia.
Ninth?
Diosdado Macapagal.
10th?
Ferdinand Marcos.
11th?
Corazon Aquino.
12th?
Fidel V. Ramos.
13th?
Joseph Estrada.
14th?
Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
15th?
Benigno Aquino III.
16th?
Rodrigo Duterte.
17th?
Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr.
Very good. Apir.